Welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss on median of ungrouped data and also median of grouped data. Okay, today in this video I am going to discuss on median of ungrouped data with few examples. Okay, so see students, so median is a third type of central tendency. Okay, so what is median? Median is denoted by capital M. Okay, it is classified into two types, that is median of ungrouped data and median of grouped data. Actually, what is a median, students? Median is one of the measure of central tendency which gives the middlemost observation of the data. Okay, so we have observed in the previous video that mean gives the average of all the observations, whereas the mode gives the most repeated value or most repeated observation in the given data, and whereas median will give the middlemost observation of the given data. Okay students, let me explain with formulas and few examples. Okay, how can we find median of ungrouped data? We are having two formulas, students, here. Okay, if the number of observations are odd, means if the raw data is given, means if only observations are given without any class interval. Of course we are discussing with ungrouped data, therefore so we are discussing with ungrouped data, it means that there is no class intervals, right? So there is no class intervals, right? So it means that only the observations are given for the data. So how can we find median of those type of data? See, at the time you have to see whether the given observations are even number of observations or odd number of observations. Okay students, if the number of observations is odd, we are having one formula. This is the formula. Okay, if the number of observations are even, we have to use this formula. Okay, the number of observations are odd, then the median is n plus 1 by 2 observation. Okay, the number of observations are even, okay, then the median is the average of n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. Okay student, let me explain with an example so that you can understand these 2 points clearly. Okay, now here the data is given. The heights of 11 players of the team are as follows. Okay, the height of certain players given here, of 11 players given here, okay, in centimeters, 160 centimeters, 158 centimeters, like that. The data is given here, the raw data is given here. We have to find the median of this data. Okay, so what are the steps to be taken to find median of ungrouped data? First, we have to arrange the given data in either ascending order or descending order. Okay, you can arrange in either any of the way, either ascending order or descending order. So I am arranging in ascending order, students. So 157 is the starting value, 158, 158 again, 159, 160, like that. You write all the observations in ascending order, small to big observations. Okay, small to big. Then here the given observations are 11, students. Here see, count how many observations are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So 11 is a odd number, right? So when the number of observations are odd, then the median is, we have to use this formula, the first formula what I explained here. The number of observations are odd, okay, we have to use this formula. So 11 is odd number, so what we get, n plus 1 by 2, nothing but 11 plus 1 by 2, nothing but 12 by 2, right? Nothing but 6. Therefore the sixth observation is the median of the data. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So sixth observation is a median of the data. Okay, students. Now, if the given observations are odd, how can we do that example? Let me see. Okay, I have mentioned here. Okay, now we'll see one example. If number of observations are even, find the median of the marks obtained by the students. Here, out of 15 marks, certain student marks given here, students. So 12, 12, 10, 9, 8 like that. The data is given here. The raw data is given here. We have to find the median. Okay, how can we find the median? For the given data, for the given raw data, for the given ungrouped data, we have to arrange the data in either ascending or descending order. Okay, so I am arranging the data in ascending order, means small to big. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 like that. I arrange the data in ascending order. అంటే స్మాల్ నుంచి బిగ్ తీసుకున్నాను అనమాట ఇక్కడ. సో ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ number of observations ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 12 ఉన్నాయి. Therefore the number of observations in the given data is 12 students. 12 observations ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. Okay, total count is 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 12. So 12 is an even number, right? So 12 అనేది ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ కాబట్టి వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా వి యూజ్ ఫర్ ఫైండింగ్ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్? దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫార్ములా. ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ ఉంటే ఈ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేస్తాం స్టూడెంట్స్. n/2 అండ్ n/2 + 1 అబ్జర్వేషన్. ఓకే, సో we got here n equal to 12, right? So how can we find median here? n/2. So 12/2 in nothing but sixth observation. Okay, then n/2 + 1. So 12/2 + 1, 6 + 1, seventh observation. So what is 12, 6th and 7th observation in the data after arranging ascending or descending order? What is 6th and 7th observation? ఇక్కడ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ కాబట్టి ఫార్ములా ఏం యూజ్ చేస్తాం? n/2 అని చేస్తాం ఫస్ట్. సో n = 12 కాబట్టి 12/2 అంటే 6th కదా, 6th అబ్జర్వేషన్ యూ కీప్ ఏ సైడ్. దెన్ n/2 + 1 అంటే 12/2 + 1, 6 + 1, 7th అబ్జర్వేషన్. సో 6th అబ్జర్వేషన్ 7th అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ వచ్చాయి కదా. ఇందులో చూడండి 6th అబ్జర్వేషన్ ఏంటి? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 12 is a 6th observation and also 7 also 7th observation. 6th 7th observations are same terms here, 12. So after finding the observations, take the average of those two. Nothing but we have to find the mean of those two. So 12 + 12/2, nothing but 12. 24/2 we get 12. So this is a way to find the median of ungrouped data when even number of observations are given. Okay, and also this is the example for finding the median of ungrouped data when odd number of observations are given. Okay students, once you go through this example, then we'll discuss few more examples in the next video. After that we are going to solve median of grouped data. Okay, thank you.